This tutorial review will show you how to make multicolored text for Reels in Instagram in Android. So first of all, open your Insta application and tap on this plus icon at the bottom. Select Reel and you can upload or capture a reel. So I'm gonna capturing a dummy reel here. Next, and then tap on this text icon at the top right and type here your text. Tap on this color at the top and select a color for your text. Tap on done, and this is my first text and I'm gonna adding another text here. Again, tap on this color and select a different color for your text. Again, tap on text. So follow this method to add multiple color text to your reel. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.